All right, so I've been wanting to get a video out to show my new right-hand drive Honda Prelude Si-R Type S that I imported with the help of RHDSpecialties from Japan to Seattle, and then finally all the way over to Maryland. I've had it for about a month, and in short, it's been fantastic. I've always wanted to have some type of either like a Type R or some model that just wasn't available and to the US market, and so here she is. So for Type S on the exterior, there's not too many differences. It does come with this specific wing. It's for the Type S. There's your badging right there. It does give you the windshield wiper, and you got your side marker. These are powered, so they move in and out. It's got fog lights there and your Type S badge there. It came with these G games, which are pretty cool. I've never seen these before. Rays G games. Yeah, assuming they're rare. They're pretty skinny. They're 17x9s. And RHDSpecialties put on brand new pads and rotors for me before sending her this way. I'm going to replace this. This is actually one part of a select few that you can actually find for these cars. The biggest thing is just searching for stuff. You just can't find. Everything's like discontinued for these cars, which is I knew it was going to be hard. I just didn't realize like virtually everything is like discontinued, which is a bummer. But anyways, these I could still find. I took the tin off. It was like purplish nasty, so got rid of that. The exhaust was like a Tanabe that stuck out to like here, so I purchased an Apexi N1 Catback. I had that on my EM1 and it sounded fantastic, so I wanted to go the same route for this. That'll be in a separate video. All right, let's show you guys the interior. I'm gonna step in here. Hurricane Ian made its way through, and well, we still got a little bit of it left. So let's see. It's gonna be kind of dark, so I don't know how well the gauges will light up during the day for you guys. See if I can give you guys some more light. So the gauges obviously are different than a regular Prelude. They're also you know, similar to like Type R gauges in my opinion, with the yellow and everything. And so you get your red stitching. This is pretty warm, but you got your red stitching here, your steering wheel, your seats. It's got like Alcantara. The back looks great. They are not faded at all. The fronts, well, we got like a purplish going on here. The Type S has no sunroof. And yeah, so I'll show you under the hood as well. So this comes with a red top, you know, similar to a Type R or an intake, you know, any type of Type R. So you get your red top on there. Ported and polished head. I don't know if the cam profile is different. You guys can correct me on all this stuff. I'm you know, just of what I've read. The intake is like a dynamic chamber, which I'll show you that. And then I think the throttle body's ported like 2 mils over. The exhaust is bigger. It's 50, like a regular is 51 millimeters. The exhaust is 57. I found this out actually when I tried to bolt up the Apexi N1, which is 60, like 2.5 inches. It just doesn't bolt up, so I had to have the flange welded so that it bolts right up to the cat, because the cat and exhaust, it's bigger on a Type S. And yeah, let's show you under the hood. So she's pretty clean for a 97. So there's your dynamic chamber, also your strut bar. I think that's only on the Type S there. It's got Tanabe coilovers, which I don't know if those are good or not. It seems to ride just fine. I think the only aftermarket pieces on here are the battery and then this cap right there, radiator cap. But yeah, she's awesome, man. I've been driving it like non-stop for you know, since I've had it, and it's been great. It's super fun. If I could describe this verse, like, I can only describe it, you know, compared to my Civic Si I had, because I've never owned a Prelude, but it just, the Type S to me feels like you're just getting like those initial bolt-ons. Like, you got a better throttle manifold, throttle body, intake, and exhaust. It's like you're getting that intake and exhaust. It feels like from factory you're getting like a nice intake and exhaust, and then a little bump from the engine, right? It's like, I think US model Preludes were like 198 horsepower. This is 217, so you're roughly getting 20 horsepower more. It's just very free flowing. Man, it's just super fun. I love it. I always wanted, I loved when my Civic had the Apexi N1, and to have that on here, it's just been great. I will get a video out to you guys for the Apexi exhaust unboxing, just driving footage. I'm waiting to get an external mic. Once that arrives, I'll hook that up, just so you guys can have some sound from the outside, because it sounds awesome. And yeah, I'm going to show you some footage now of when taking delivery of the car, and then just the very first time I ever drove the car. You'll see that here in just a second. Damn, there's like some type of Mercedes up there. Oh, and S2000's in there. And 2 yellow ones. And
finally, huh?
yeah, man. You've had a drive.
Yeah, sorry, I gotta...
sick.